Want to maximize every inch of your living space? These incredible space-saving furniture pieces and smart home design ideas are perfect for adding style, comfort, and functionality to any home. From clever storage hacks to multifunctional designs, they'll completely transform your space. All product links are in the description below. Say goodbye to messy piles of shoes at the door. This slim cabinet hides everything behind 2 flip drawers, keeping your entryway neat and stylish. Each drawer has double layers, so you can fit flats, boots, or heels without a problem. The rustic finish pairs easily with any decor, while the sturdy metal legs keep it stable and easy to clean under. Compact, functional, and perfect for narrow spaces. It's a mirror, a jewelry box, and a storage shelf all in one clever design. This full-length cabinet swings open to reveal space for every ring, necklace, and earring you own, plus built-in LED lights and a smaller mirror for makeup. The backside has extra shelves for bags or decor, and it even locks to keep valuables safe. With a charging station inside, you can plug in your beauty tools or phone with ease. Dinner for 2 or a feast for 8. This table has you covered. Its clever drop leaf design lets you expand when guests arrive and fold it down to save space when you don't need it. 2 built-in drawers keep utensils, napkins, or snacks within reach, and the lower shelf can even hold foldable chairs. Smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move around. Practical, stylish, and perfect for small spaces that demand flexibility. Your couch just got a serious upgrade. This clever 3-in-1 sleeper chair transforms from a cozy armchair to a relaxing recliner to a comfortable guest bed in seconds. The backrest adjusts to 3 angles so you can read, lounge, or nap just the way you like. High-density foam and breathable linen keep it soft yet supportive. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or anywhere you need big comfort in a small space. Picture a coffee table that does more than just hold drinks. This oversized Ottoman doubles as storage, seating, and even a work surface. Lift the top and you'll find a roomy compartment that hides away blankets, books, or anything you don't want cluttering your space. The cushioned top is perfect for propping up your feet or setting down a tray. It's a stylish centerpiece that works as hard as you do. Empty space above the toilet? Time to put it to work. This 3-tier organizer gives you shelves for towels, toilet paper, soaps, and all the bathroom essentials that usually clutter up the sink. 4 hooks add extra hanging space for loofahs or small accessories. The sturdy steel frame keeps everything stable, and it fits neatly over most standard toilets. Simple, sleek, and a real lifesaver in tight bathrooms. Traveling with a baby doesn't have to be stressful. This lightweight crib doubles as a cozy bed and a safe playpen, so your little one always has a familiar spot. The breathable mesh sides keep the air flowing while letting you peek in anytime. A handy side zipper makes it easy for crawling in and out. Best part? It folds down in seconds and packs small for on-the-go adventures. Bring style and storage together with this round coffee table. The fluted design hides a sliding cabinet door, giving you a discreet spot to tuck away books, remotes, or snacks. An open bottom shelf keeps daily items within easy reach. Compact yet functional, it fits perfectly in smaller living rooms without crowding the space. With its warm walnut finish, it doubles as both a centerpiece and a clever organizer. Small space, big drying power. This compact tumble dryer fits just about anywhere but still handles clothes with care. Dual motors speed up drying while rotating in both directions to keep fabrics fluffy and evenly dried. Smart sensors stop the cycle the moment clothes are ready, saving time and energy. With fine filters to catch lint and dust, it's plug-and-play laundry convenience. No installation, no hassle. Small space, big style. This Futon Sofa bed brings mid-century charm with its tufted velvet finish and sleek, tapered legs. During the day, it's a comfy 3-seater for lounging or working. At night, it folds down into a bed, perfect for guests or late-night movie marathons. Built with a sturdy frame and firm cushioning, it's made to last while giving you comfort in every setting. Stylish, practical, and versatile all in one. This isn't just a bed, it's an entire bedroom built into one. You get a massage chair for ultimate relaxation, Bluetooth speakers for music, and even a charging station so your devices never die overnight. A built-in bookshelf and desk keep everything within reach, whether you're working or winding down. There's hidden storage and even a chaise for lounging. It's comfort, tech, and style all in one futuristic frame. Kick clutter out of sight and add a seat at the same time. This folding Ottoman bench opens up to reveal a roomy storage chest for blankets, books, or anything you want tucked away. The cushioned top makes it comfortable for sitting or propping up your feet. When you don't need it, the whole thing folds flat in seconds. Strong, stylish, and versatile, it's a smart addition to any room. Movie nights just got a serious upgrade. This power reclining sofa lets you kick back with adjustable headrests, leg rests, and even a zero-gravity position that melts away pressure. Built-in massage and heated seats take comfort to the next level, while the drop-down middle table gives you cup holders and charging ports right where you need them. Soft, diamond-stitched upholstery ties it all together. A full desk that disappears when you don't need it. Now that's smart living. This wall-mounted foldable desk opens into a roomy work surface with shelves for books, supplies, or decor. When the day's over, just fold it back up and reclaim your floor space. Built strong and stable, it holds your laptop and essentials with ease. Perfect for small apartments, dorms, or any spot that needs a workspace on demand. Why settle for just a sofa when you can have so much more? This sectional transforms into a sleeper in seconds, giving you an instant guest bed without the hassle. The chaise opens up to reveal hidden storage for blankets or pillows, while side pockets keep remotes and magazines close by. A built-in charging station even powers up your devices while you lounge. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier. This slim toaster slips neatly onto any countertop without hogging space. A single extra long slot means you can toast 2 slices side by side or tackle big, crusty bread without cutting it down. 6 shade settings let you go from lightly golden to deep and crispy in seconds. The high lift lever keeps fingers safe, and the crumb tray makes cleanup effortless. Looks like a regular desk, right? But hidden inside is a surprise. This sleek workstation transforms into a full bed in just seconds. Built-in storage keeps your essentials tidy, while the top slides into an L shape when you need extra workspace. When the day is done, pull it out into a comfortable sleeping spot without clearing a thing. One piece of furniture, 3 ways to use it. This compact vanity flips open to reveal a lighted mirror with 3 color settings, perfect for makeup or skincare. Close it, and it works as a sleek nightstand with plenty of hidden storage. 3 drawers and a cushioned stool keep everything organized and comfortable. Stylish, sturdy, and space-saving. It's a smart upgrade for any bedroom. Fresh smoothies anywhere, anytime? Yes, please! This portable juicer is USB rechargeable, so you can blend up fresh fruit, protein shakes, or even crush ice right on the go. Perfect for the office, gym, or travel. It's built for busy days when you still want healthy options. Compact yet powerful. It keeps your drinks smooth, fresh, and ready whenever you are. No kitchen required. Why settle for a boring bookcase when you can have one shaped like a tree? This tall, narrow shelf branches out with 6 tiers, giving you plenty of space for books, games, or little decorations. A cabinet at the bottom hides away the things you'd rather not display. The rustic finish makes it blend into almost any style, from modern to cozy farmhouse. Compact, stylish, and space-saving, it's storage that feels like art. Who knew storage could look this chic? These round Ottomans come as a set of 2, giving you both extra seating and hidden space to stash away blankets, magazines, or toys. The tufted top pops off and even flips over to work as a small coffee table. Soft faux leather makes them comfy to sit on, while the modern design fits any room. No assembly needed, just unbox and enjoy. No room for a full desk? This fold-down wall desk gives you a workspace when you need it and folds up flat when you don't. Inside, you've got handy compartments, a paper organizer, even a corkboard to pin reminders. The drawer keeps small essentials tucked away, so everything stays neat. Finished in clean white, it blends into any room, perfect for turning a small corner into a functional office. Tired of digging through cluttered cabinets just to find one spice? This slide and rotate organizer brings everything into view in seconds. 2 stacked tiers hold both short and tall items, while the non-skid base keeps it steady. Just pull, spin, and grab what you need. No rummaging required. Its modular design means you can line up several for a perfectly organized kitchen that actually stays that way. Sometimes all you need is a little table that does it all. This C-shaped end table slides right under your couch or chair, giving you a spot for snacks, a laptop, or even a late-night coffee. The built-in charging station keeps your phone, tablet, or laptop powered without messy cords trailing across the room. Side pockets hold remotes, magazines, or anything else you want within reach. A coffee table that does more than just sit pretty. This oval lift-top design gives you hidden storage for books, remotes, or even snacks you don't want lying around. The top lifts smoothly, turning it into a desk for work or a dining spot for cozy nights in. The fluted panels and warm wood grain make it a modern statement piece. And the best part, it comes almost fully assembled. This video is sponsored by Kaylee Supplements. Use the link in the description below to start feeling sharper, stronger, and more energized naturally.
Feeling foggy? Low on energy? Or just not as sharp as you used to be? This is Callie's Mushroom Extract Complex, just 2 raspberry-flavored gummies a day. It packs a powerful blend of 10 clinically respected mushrooms, like lion's mane, reishi, and cordyceps, all working to support your brain, immune system, and energy levels. No pills, no bitterness, just clean ingredients that actually work. If you're looking for more clarity, focus, and balance, you should start here. Callie Supplements. Simple, powerful, and effective.
Dry your clothes without sacrificing space. This wall-mounted rack folds flat when not in use, then extends to reveal 6 sturdy stainless steel rods that hold up to 60 pounds of laundry. It's perfect for everything from towels to sweaters, keeping fabrics fresh and colors bright. The smooth fold-in design keeps floors clear, and the sleek look blends right into your home. Turn your shoe collection into a stylish display. This 7-tier rotating rack spins 360 degrees, making every pair easy to see and grab. It stores dozens of shoes, or even handbags and hats, while taking up minimal floor space. The sturdy build keeps everything secure, and the sleek design fits right into any room. Easy to assemble and fun to use, it keeps your space organized without sacrificing style. Turn any room into a guest room in seconds. This Queen Murphy bed folds neatly into a sleek cabinet, freeing up valuable floor space when you don't need it. Built-in closet organizers give you storage for clothes, books, or decor, so the space stays tidy and functional. The mattress support is designed for comfort, with flexible slats that move with your body. No more digging through the back of your cabinets. This pull-out organizer brings your pots, pans, and kitchen essentials right to you with a smooth, quiet glide. Its expandable design adjusts to fit different cabinet widths, making the most of your space. No drilling needed, just stick it in place with strong adhesive nanofilm. Heavy-duty metal keeps it sturdy, so even your heaviest cookware stays secure.